Away from the hustle and bustle, away from any person, away from my worries and cares. Here I sit at the bend in the river. As I sit, I should feel alone, but lo and behold, there is more than one tone. The sound of wind traveling through the trees, and the light swish of water puts me at ease. Animals and plants coexist together and will be seen often if there is good weather. Serenity and happiness overcome me, because only in nature can you feel so free. Longing to replicate this experience for the next generation, I study the landscape in order to make a replication. Not man-made, but from the Creator. Nature is perfect, and I am only the translator. I am a nature replicator.